Okay, today I'm going to review the Spyder 9-piece carbide-tip hole saw kit. I use this all the time when I was installing cabinets for a lot of the water holes in the back of the cabinets. This made it very easy, sometimes the drainage holes as well. This to me worked way better than regular hole saws, and I'll even show you the difference between this, because getting the piece of wood out of this is much harder than the ejection part of this. So let's just show you what is in here. So it's a 9-piece set. You've got 5 different sizes. You got from 1 inch, 1 inch, a 1 1/4. What is that? Sorry, we got 1, 1 1/8, 1 3/4, 1 1/2, and 2. A lot of times with water pipes, I would use a lot of times 1 1/4, and for the drain, the 2 inches. So for your smaller 2-inch, you can see these holes are a little different than this one, and you would use this small one right here. Okay, going to show you really quick how to use these. I'm just going to pick this one that has this extra step. So we're going to use the big one because this is the small one. You can see how that's just a little lower. We're going to put it. Okay. So now that it's in there, you're going to take this and get it close and then push it until it locks. So that's locked. Now we're going to put this in. So here's the tricky part. So you see how these have holes, and there's holes right here? So this mechanism actually takes those back. So you can see it, and that way that gets it really secure, especially for these bigger holes, because this is a lot of torque. So we're going to take this back and we're going to start screwing it in. And then you can tell when you're near a hole, because if you go too much, then it won't do. So just take it off a little bit, because they don't want you to get it too close, because then these get really hard once they heat up. They're not easy to take off. But all right, let's showcase drilling a hole with this real quick, okay? All right. Alright, and these are probably a little dull just because, again, I've had these. Alright, see how this piece of wood on? Now normally it gets stuck in there. Here's the beauty of the tarantula. With this feature, I'm going to push it in, and it's going to take basically this right off. Anything that's still showcasing is on there. So now, basically, and then, so to get this off, going to take this back, and it's very easy. A lot of times when you're drilling holes and the chuck has gotten really hot, these will not come off. So again, one of the great things about this, these, because of these holes, they don't allow it to get overly hot and get really stuck. And so now that's all done, and you take it right off. So again, the Spyder 9-piece, highly recommend. These are really great for if you need to put some holes in some cabinets and such. All right, thanks.